Welcome everyone to Belinda's Country Living. Today's video is about how to make a lemon shake-up. You know, the kind that you get at the fair. Well, now I don't know if this is going to be as good as the fair, but I know one thing. When you go to the fair and you order one of them lemon shake-ups, well, they're pretty pricey. Last year, I believe it was $5 for a little small glass of lemon shake-up. So, excuse me. Earlier today, my grandson, he said, Mama, he said, do you know how to do a lemon shake-up? I said, well, never done one, but I'll give it a try. I've always just made homemade lemonade, so we're going to try it. I guess he must have watched a video or something. So anyway, he was explaining it to me, and so I had some lemons, and I've already made one. I made one, and I've been drinking it, and it's pretty good. So I'm going to show you how I did it. We just had these cups. We bought at the Walmart or the gas station. I don't know. Got a lid, a little straw in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the ends of the lemon off. And we're going to use 2 lemons. That's what I did when I made my lemon shake-up. I used 2 lemons. And you want to cut these in small pieces. Leave the rind on there. I did my mowing today. I did 2.5 acres of mowing. And, oh, it just tears me up. So there's one lemon cut into 6 pieces. And just throw it in your glass. Let's cut another one. I have to say myself, this is really good. This one I'm going to cut in a little bit smaller pieces. Throw that in there. Now what I'm going to do is, move this aside, I'm just going to use my little meat slicer, presser that I use for hamburger. I got that at the Dollar Tree, $1.25. And I'm just going to mash and turn, mash and turn. Mash all them lemons up. Now there's 2 lemons in this. Go ahead and shake that around. I suppose if a person had a lemon juicer, you could do that too, but you can hear it smashing all these lemons down in this plastic. Here we go. It's like that. Now we're going to I used 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now if you like it sweeter, then you just taste it and then add to your own liking. 3 tablespoons. Now you want some crushed ice. And my refrigerator has your choice of crushed or cube, and I'm going to use crushed ice. And I got this, up to there, as you can see. And now you want to fill it up with water. Now you don't want to fill it all the way because you want room to shake that up. So with I am so sorry. With the water, I got it up to about there. Now put your lid on it. Snap it on. Now because this has a hole in it for a straw, I'm going to shake this up. This one, it twists on. This one here just snaps. Put your finger over that hoe and just shake it. Give it a good shake. Just like that. Now, I also do 1 capful of real lemon juice. You know, if you had to really get that lemon flavor, you would probably have to use about 3 or 4 lemons. So this just gives it a extra boost. And that's what they do at the fairs. They'll put a slice or 2 of lemon in a bottle in your glass. Then they'll fill it up with the rest of it. They'll add lemon juice. So let's do this again. Just shake it up. Hear that ice? Oh my goodness, that just looks so good. I'm gonna bring it closer. Hope you can see this. All that lemon pulp that's in there, look at that. Let's put the lid back on it. Let's give it a taste. You get these at the gas station. Comes with the straw. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Doesn't get any better than that. I have to say it's a lot better than the fairs lemon shaker. Oh my. Woo, that is so good. So if you got lemons in the refrigerator, hey, just make 1 lemon shake up at a time. That's how simple that is. Now y'all know how to do it if you didn't already know how. My little dog is wanting outdoors. Here in Indiana, it's been a little chilly today. But when I mow grass, yeah, every time I get up against the fence, I want you to look at that. That is awful. Yeah. Them briars, I got a bunch of wild blackberries growing alongside the fence row, and they're not very big. They're real tiny blackberries. But I'm hoping I'll be able to get enough blackberries to make a cobbler at least, or blackberry pie. I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend. Tomorrow I've got my 2 younger grandsons coming. They're 6 and 4. So I'll take them to the park. I'll do things with them tomorrow. So y'all give this a try. You will not regret it. It is just very good. Until the next time, God bless.